What is neutral to earth voltage in grounding systems? Imagine walking through a power distribution system and feeling a tiny shock or noticing some equipment acting strangely. That tiny voltage difference between the neutral wire and the earth might be the reason. Neutral to earth voltage is the small voltage that exists between the neutral conductor and the ground in an electrical system. It happens because the neutral wire, even though it is connected to earth at one point, carries current and isn't exactly at the same potential as the earth everywhere else. When current flows through the neutral wire, resistance in the conductors causes a voltage drop. This means the neutral wire's potential can shift slightly relative to the earth at different points along the system. In power systems, the neutral is usually grounded at the transformer or service entrance to keep the system stable and provide a reference point. But because the neutral carries return current from loads, and because the earth itself has resistance, the potential of the earth isn't perfectly uniform. This causes the voltage between the neutral and the earth to vary depending on where you measure it and how much load is on the system. Typically, this voltage is just a few volts, but it can rise higher if there is a heavy load or a fault. Knowing about neutral to earth voltage is important because it impacts how safe and reliable the system is. If this voltage gets too high, it can cause nuisance tripping of sensitive equipment or create shock hazards for people working near electrical systems. It can also interfere with electronics that are sensitive to voltage fluctuations. In designing grounding systems, engineers aim to keep this voltage as low as possible. They do this by adding multiple grounding points along the neutral conductor, which helps stabilize the potential and reduce voltage differences. Different grounding configurations, like TNS, TNC, TT, or IT systems, influence how the neutral and earth are connected and how the neutral to earth voltage behaves. Utilities often install multiple grounding points along power lines, sometimes every mile, to keep the voltage difference under control. This helps ensure that the neutral stays close to earth potential, making the system safer and more stable. In essence, neutral to earth voltage is the small but significant voltage difference caused by current flow and resistance in the grounding system. It plays a vital role in keeping power systems safe, stable, and functioning properly.